Good morning, afternoon, evening, time, good time. Today we've got some plans. I took all my business stuff off the fit, so that's cool. I've got this parts Dodge sitting right there, and it's a sunny day, so I've got, let's walk over here, parts Mazda sitting right there, oh yeah bud, right there. That guy, I'm gonna get some wheels on it. I've actually got wheels in the bed of this truck, that lifted one, so those need to go on it. And I'm gonna put that Dodge on top of it, just because I put these trucks up for free, right? They're parts trucks, junkers, whatever. Scrap them, get your money out of them, because I got mine out of them. And this one doesn't have any differentials under it. Look at that glare, man, quite the glare. So this one doesn't have differentials, so you can't just throw wheels on it and get it up on a trailer. Although I could get a tractor over here and pick it up, but then I gotta pay for diesel and all that shit, when all I have to do is just put this on top of that. So that's the plan for the day. Upside down Mazda Dodge. So let me get some wheels on that. I'm gonna drag that over here, come right back to you. All right, so we got over here to this guy, got that guy over here. My wife was in the passenger side of her best friend's ride. She's trying to holler at me. Oh, in the driver's side? Oh, yeah. Never mind, my bad. Wrong scene. So what I gotta do here, or we, is pull all this shit out of here and put it all in the cab of that truck, because I'm gonna roll this one over, not by hand, because you saw there it didn't budge at all. So get my ratchet strap out of here. So yeah, everything has to come out, and then I'm gonna roll this truck on its side, get the exhaust out, because the exhaust in this is nice as well. So yeah, I'm gonna roll this truck on its side, or get all the shit out, roll it up on its side. I'll get a video of it, and get the exhaust out, and then lay this truck upside down on top of that truck and get them both out of here. I've got a guy or a kid that wants them, so that's the plan. All right, so I've got the blue trucks all cleared out, kind of, mostly. Mazda's full of shit. I just like shoved everything that was in the bed, shoved it all back here. That way I'm gonna pull the Mazda over here and put all that stuff in there. And I got it hooked to my truck, and I'm going to set you guys on this Mazda here. You get to hear my exhaust leaks as I pull this thing up onto its side. All right, that's how we do that. Now, that kind of went a lot smoother than I thought it was gonna go. Let me grab this GoPro. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it hooked to my truck so it doesn't fall on me. Now, some guys were saying cutting this truck up was like dumb and this and that. So you tell me if that's dumb to you. I'm gonna beg to differ, my guy. I think it's a grand idea. I need to do a video on this truck here. It's my my V6 truck named Whitey. It's named Whitey because all Dodges named Whitey are slow. They're just slow. So I'm gonna get a tow strap, do my thing from there to there, thing, and get back at you. Okay, so we got that there. Now all I have to do is push it that way and then that way. So let's go. So I've got to hit it like this here. Now, this should stay here. Hopefully. We're gonna see. Now, if my calculations are correct, see how it's angled So the Mazda is like this, and the Dodge is more like this, you know, kind of a V. So the Dodge is probably going to pull straight and then up on to the Mazda. That's the plan anyways. So I guess it's starting to rain, so there's really nothing to it but to do it, boys. All right, so not exactly as planned, but as planned, you know, it's up there. What, you know, I just got to, I guess, get it off of this truck. All right, so now we've got a problem here. See that hood there? That's a problem. So if we shit oh man, well, if I can get that hood out, and it's not that big a deal. I've kind of sketched out to be under it, but yeah, buddy. Okay. Okay, okay. We can work with that, huh? Do that little number. Okay, we got it up. It's on there. It's off the V10 truck. What more can you want? Actually, there's more that we could want. We want it all. All right, so quick ending to our video. We got old Viper truck here, very helpful truck. Upside down ram, Mazda, pretty good. I pulled it on a little bit more. I'll show you what I did here. A little walker here. So I tied another strap here. This one's not really that strong, but strong enough to pull a truck, I guess. And tied it. There's already a knot here because this strap is broken. So just tied it there so it doesn't slip, and pulled it on nice and straight. Well, it's not perfect, but you know, hey, we don't live in a perfect world. So see you guys on the next one.